When did you have your lunch? 2 hours ago. And did you?
1 or 2 hours ago.
When did you?
5 minutes ago.
I had it like 1 or 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
I want cake.
You can't have cake. It has to be like more 25 minutes.
Like, how much did you have for lunch? Like, what did you have?
2 hamburgers, 35 chicken nuggets, and 3,355 chips.
You need to wait longer to have some cake.
Aww.
Yeah. Just maybe 25 minutes until you can have some cake. Yeah.
This party's like so lame. Who got you this ugly waistcoat?
Oh, it's my grandma. I really hate it. She also bought me these 2 very cringe puzzles. They're like so childish.
Puzzles? That's so 2020. Like, ew.
Yeah. Come and party with me, Regina. Hi, Regina. What are you wearing? Nothing. Get rid of it. Sorry, Regina. Sit down.
So like anyway, like puzzles and like waistcoats are like so 2020. They're like so ugly and so bad.
And grandmas are so cringe
I
these
know,
years.
like ew.
You agree?
This party's so cool.
Yes.
I wish we could go sit over with them.
You bet.
Well, come on, let's go.
Slow your roll. You think we can go over and talk to them?
Yeah.
What's the problem? Half the time in school, barely even knows we exist. The teacher doesn't even say our name in the register until we say, "You forgot about me." And then she says, "What's your name again?" And then you see why I don't want you to go over and talk to them. Right?
Yeah, you have a point. We should just stay seated.
I can't believe we're sitting right here at the food at their birthday. They're the meanest girls at our school.
Yeah, mean.
That's strange. I know. They're always mean to us. Maybe they just want to be mean to us more.
Yeah.
Yeah. And why did you write us to the party to go and let us find mean girls? I don't know why. Do you want to go and like talk to them or something? No, no, I don't. Yeah, no. Well, I am kind of hungry, so we could like go ask for some cake or something. Yeah, I'm pretty hungry too. Let's get some cake. Okay, there's talking. Can we have some cake?
They need a challenge.
Challenge. Okay, challenge. Only on one condition. You finish that crusty, musty puzzle over there. They two will time you. Whoever finishes it the fastest gets the last piece of cake. And that's yes.
Oh no. Oh my gosh, where's the last piece?
How are you doing the last piece of that one? Like nothing. I don't know where to start.
Oh, I can't find the last piece. Where is it? Let's just go and share that last bit of cake.
Yeah.
Ooh, cake.